Ezra Levant here for the Rebel.media. I am standing outside the Royal Courts of Justice. A little bit of a different view behind me. A church with shrapnel marks left over from the Second World War. A reminder of the price this city and this country paid for freedom 70 plus years ago. Hopefully they'll remember the price that was paid and uphold liberty in the case of Tommy Robinson. There's still more proceedings to go, but I am optimistic so far. Tommy's case has been well elocuted by his judges. Jeremy Dean is his QC who's doing the talking. There are actually 4 lawyers on Team Tommy. Against him is a lawyer appointed by the Attorney General in the name of a friend of the court. So he's not necessarily a prosecutor or antagonistic to Tommy, but he's there to sort of push back against any enthusiasms, let's say, from Tommy's team. That said, listening to the facts adduced, listening to the questions put to various lawyers by the judges, I am permitting myself some optimism. It's very dangerous to be optimistic when it comes to the state's treatment of Tommy Robinson. It's always a stitch up. But I think that you have the absolute top judge of the United Kingdom, the Lord Chief Justice himself, presiding over a panel of 2 other judges with him. I think they're taking this case seriously. I think there's been evidence that the sentence was disproportionate, that rules of criminal procedure were not followed. Tommy's lawyers are asking for everything. They want the sentence reduced, but they also want the conviction from the Leeds case in May quashed completely. And they're actually asking for last year's conviction in Canterbury to be quashed too. I don't know if they'll get all of those things, but I think they're doing enough appeals, making enough arguments that enough will succeed to get Tommy out of prison. I hope I'm not eating these words later, but if you ask me right now, do I think Tommy will win the appeal? I would say yes, at least enough to get him home. And for that, we have in large part to thank you, our Rebel viewers, who have chipped in so generously to the crowdfunding campaign that paid for the 4 legal eagles, the dream team, in court today. I'll have more updates mainly on Twitter, which you can check out, twitter.com/Ezra Levant. And if there's any more videos today, we'll post them. There's a chance this matter might continue until tomorrow. If it finishes today, the judges could render a decision right away. However, given the complexity here, they may wish to confer and reserve their judgment, issuing it in the days to come. Another possibility is they could verbally give a very brief ruling, such as the conviction in Leeds is quashed, Tommy is freed, and follow up later with a detailed legal ruling. It's really in their discretion. But I'll leave it there for now. Thanks for tuning in. To see all our report, go to TommyTrial.com. For the Rebel.media, I'm Ezra Levant. I'm here in London at Tommy's Court of Appeal hearing. For all of my updates, go to TommyTrial.com.